What's going on, everybody? We are here having a big giant breakfast this morning. Oh my gosh.
Insane. Look at all that.
It's an insane. We are super hungry. Mercy's having beef tapa with eggs. And she just can't wait for me to stop talking. She's just gonna keep eating. She don't care what's going on. Just give me the food. So we got some over easy eggs, some garlic rice, beef tapa, some pico de gallo. And then we got our some biscuits and gravy going on here, and additional American breakfast. So I don't know if she's going to share the tapa with me or not, but I've got the American breakfast going on here. That's my go-to. A little jam, a little butter. I even got a little bit of garlic rice she said she'd share with me. And half of it's eaten. I don't know why. But yeah, guys, this is breakfast for us.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Our go-to breakfast every day. Every now and then, Mercy switches it up and gets beef tapa or what else do you like to get in the morning?
American breakfast, my favorite.
Yeah, I know you always get this.
Biscuits and gravy.
Yeah, we're just mixing it all up today.
Waffle with fruit.
Waffles, yeah. Anyway, it's been a busy week so far here at the Drake and Papi's. We are fully booked for the next couple of days. It's Thursday today, or no, Friday today. It's Thursday yesterday. We're fully booked again today. And I thought, you know what? What's going on in town here? It must be some kind of an event. You know what? It's not any event. Nobody's telling me there's anything special going on. What's going on is our $9.99 deal. The word's getting out. All rooms $9.99, and people can't stay away. And that's what's packing the house. So that's got to be it. So yeah, it's busy today. Busy in the restaurant. Busy in the hotel. Craziness. We're gonna eat. Let's go ahead. What do you got? What do you got going on over here?
Oh, baby,
so the beef tapa is a thin sliced ribeye we use for that.
Yeah, we don't use any other meat.
Yeah, we used to use sirloin. Now we switched to ribeye because it's so much better. Then of course we got our homemade biscuits and gravy right here. I gotta dig into that. It's been sitting here for a minute. I gotta stir it up. It's so good. The sausage gravy. We make our own sausage here. Chunks of sausage in there. Delicious.
Very good. Very good.
Yeah, I'm gonna get these home fries going here. I love the home fries here. Special flavor with those grilled onions. Secret recipe here. These potatoes, guys, are special. These potatoes. Oops, almost lost one. These are delicious, guys. Home fries. Nowhere in town you get home fries like these. Delicious. Bacon, just right. Not too crispy. A little tear to it though.
American breakfast.
Smoked bacon. Can't eat it. Something I like to do here is I take this gravy, get a little closer so I don't make a big mess, and I put it right on these potatoes, man. Oh my gosh. Put a little bit of that sausage gravy right there on there. A little potatoes and gravy. What a combination. Mix those potatoes up. So it's dinner time for us, and oh my goodness, what are we doing? We're having pizza again.
Pizza.
We're always eating pizza here at Papi's. And I didn't want to just do pizza. I didn't just want to have pizza today, so I went ahead and got some nachos. Look at that. We always have some good stuff over here at Papi's for everybody. I love the nachos, the cheese, the beef, we got colored chips now. I like the multicolored chips. Gotta have the nachos, guys. The nachos. Delicious. Who doesn't love nachos? Now Mercy made me do the jalapeno. Look. Mercy made me take the jalapenos and move them to one side for some reason. She wouldn't let me put them on the whole pizza. I like them on the whole pizza because I can have all the ones she doesn't want and steal them. So she opted for just the pepperoni and onion on her side.
Yeah, the jalapeno sometimes they're very spicy.
She doesn't like the extra ones, extra spice. I like doing this to my nachos. This salsa we make here in house, I pour that all over them. This is what you got to do, guys. Got to get them all sauced up. Delicious. That's the way you do nachos right there, guys. Now, I know I've told you already, but this week is the best week to come and eat at Papi's. Buy one entree, get the second one half off, 50% off your second of lesser value. Get 2 ribeyes, get 1 half price. Get a pizza, get the nachos half price. You can't beat it, man.
No, you have to come over.
If you haven't been here yet, guys, and you're here in Angeles City or somewhere around here, you got to come in and try this good food.
Very cheap.
It's very good and very cheap. Guarantee it. You'll love it.
You're gonna love it.
In the Drake, also $9.99 any room, and you get a 200 peso food credit that you can't use with the 50% off this week. But if you're a single guy and you only want to eat one meal and you don't want the second meal for 50% off, you get that 200 peso food credit. It's like having the room for $7.99 instead of $9.99. So we're
Nobody
gonna give you,
has that deal.
We're going to give you 200 pesos every day you stay here at the Drake to eat at Papi's. It's great. What a place to come and visit and eat and stay. So how's that pizza going down there, honey?
Delicious, baby. I want to eat all of it.
No, you're not. You're going to save me my half at least.
Only half.
Right. Hey guys, we're always talking about all of our great American food here, but you know what? We serve some really good Filipino food too. Check this out. What are we having today?
We're gonna have
Pancit bihon,
lumpias, and garlic.
I always gotta have my garlic rice here on the side, and my chili toyo mansi.
Smell with toyo mansi.
Gotta have that. But this here, look at this. Look. We make these here in house too. I know some restaurants have that and they just order them in frozen or whatever. We make these in house. Delicious. Got some chili sauce here with it to dip. But this is the star of the show right here. This pancit bihon, my favorite Filipino dish.
Yep.
Got some shrimp in there, some chicken.
Big pieces.
Yeah, very good. All right, let's dig in. This is our lunch today. We do not always eat hamburgers and subs here and chicken wings. We mix it up here at Papi's every now and then. There we go. It's like Filipino spaghetti right here.
Yeah. It's good because it has all that kind of meat and then vegetables.
Right.
You have all your nutrients in one dish.
All in one, right? Best part about eating at Papi's this week, our weekly special too, is all of the meals are buy one, take one at 50% off. So if you buy one meal, bring a guest, the next meal, equal or lesser value, is half off. That is the deal, guys.
That's a great deal.
That's almost like our deal in the hotel rooms, right?
No,
My goodness. $9.99 a night, any room?
Nobody has that deal.
Nobody. This is good stuff. Now, Mercy's always serving herself before me. Look.
Yeah, because you have the best part.
But look, you took all the goodies off of yours and put it in yours.
Not really. You have more than me.
I did get more. Yeah, she gave me the big plate here. Oh well. I guess I'll do some damage to it. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. So get you a bite of that. Let's give the audience here your take on our pancit bihon. I prefer the bihon over the canton. See, I like toyo mansi all over mine. That's what I live. I do I do the chilies. I have to have the chili. All my Filipino food. I pour it on everything. And Mercy does a little bit. I like the chili. I'll eat the red chili. She just wants the the soy sauce. It's flavored. It's got the calamansi squeezed in there as well.
Yeah. Very good, guys.
Yeah.
You gotta try.
I'll even dip one of these lumpia in here. Get that spiciness going.
That's too much.
All right, let me try one of these. I gotta try lumpia. A fresh lumpia. Like I said, I'm gonna dip it. I'm gonna do the chili dip with my lumpia. How many people like the chili dip? Toyomansi in theirs. Let me get the big old chili on there. Oh, come on, give me a chili. Give me one. Come on. I can't get, oh, there's one. There's a chili.
Papi, be careful.
That's it. Let's try this one.
Oh my God, those lumpias, they're delicious.
Man. There's something else I gotta tell you guys. We fry our food here. We use canola oil. It's twice as expensive. Oh man, it's so good. That chili, it's got me fired up. Great flavor. The canola oil, we're frying in canola because it's, you don't get that taste, the aftertaste when you fry your French fries or anything fried. Use a high quality oil. So many places I've been to here, get that smell, you know, before you even sit down, you can smell that grease, and it's like, is it old or what? What are they using? It's a cheap oil. I've discovered over time here, having this restaurant, that you want to gravitate towards savings always. You want to try to see what best stuff I can get at the lowest price to offer the customer. But you can't skimp on this oil. You got to use good oil. It makes such a difference. You got to use the good quality stuff. And that's what we do here. We use canola, 100% canola. I know they have some blends out there, like 50% canola, 50% vegetable oil. But we just go straight up canola and get the best results with that. Mercy's almost done with her pancit over here.
I don't waste time, baby.
She's just eating away. I'm just talking away. I got to catch up. All right, guys, we have some guests here in the restaurant. They came in, some subscribers all the way from, where are you guys from?
I'm from California,
Yeah?
Sacramento. Good. I've been craving for this.
All right, so you got a French
awesome.
dip.
Very awesome.
You've already been dipping into it a little bit. And then we got some quesadillas here for you.
Amanda has quesadillas.
Yeah, I love Mexican food, and please come to Drake Diner. And I came from Arizona.
All the way from Arizona, where she's used to eating a lot of Mexican food there, right? So you know what's good. And what are you guys having? Burgers?
Burger, yeah, I never get to enjoy a lot of burgers in Germany, so I want to try it. And
There
it's
you go. There we go. And you got a knife and fork burger going on over here.
Because it's kind of shy.
Yeah, that's okay. He's eating too. I'm bothering him. He says, leave me alone while I'm eating. Anyway, welcome guys. Thank you for coming here and seeing us all the way from California, Arizona, Germany, and local from Tarlac. All the way from Tarlac. Well, thanks guys for coming in.
And it's nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
Please come to Drake Diner.
Stay at their hotel and eat at Papi's Grill.
There we go. Great time to do it too, guys, because you buy one meal, get the second meal 50% off this week. That's the deal, right? Half off the second meal. So they're saving tons of money back here behind me at this table.